Hello, friends. How are you doing? I hope you're well. I'm Saralee Hofrichter of SaraleeHofrichter.com, here to speak with you about the Crystal Tarot card for the month of August 2024. I hope you're finding these helpful. We finally made it out of all the earth and water cards that I've been pulling for the past 6 months, and we've landed on an air card, which is more about our mental activity. So, slowing down my own mental activity, I sat quietly and asked, what will help guide us on our journey through the month of August? And I pulled 6 of air, focused planning. And in traditional tarot, this would be 6 of swords. So after the emotional frailty of last month, this month might feel a bit better, especially if we come up with a focused plan. This card represents one of the best aspects of how our mind can function. It indicates that it's time to make a plan, a focused plan. So we get out of the crazy thought process and use our minds in a really powerful and productive way. And the crystal ally that wants to help us stay focused this month is fluorite. And as you can see, this image of fluorite is quite dark, but my beautiful friends here are beautiful light green. Fluorite comes in different colors, and then there's a rainbow fluorite, and I just have these little guys, but I hope you can see how the beautiful bands of purple and green. So fluorite has a very sweet message for us this month, and directly from her voice, this is what she says. I am a luminescent being. I help bring in the light to cleanse and clear and illuminate. My gifts are many. There's an openness about me. Let me help bring this clarity of being into your life. How wonderful. Thank you, fluorite. I have a few action steps that you can take this month that might help. The first one is take some time, if you can, to sit quietly and create a pros and cons list about something you've been mulling over. Once you have that list, create a step-by-step action plan. And third, work on implementing one action step at a time. Sometimes when we have a plan, it feels very overwhelming in our brain because there's so much to think about. But if we just tackle one step at a time, it becomes more manageable. I am sending you so much love, so much clarity and peace, and I hope this month brings you closer to wherever it is you're wanting to be. Many blessings on your journey. Take good care. Speak with you soon. Bye.